Continuing with my rant, Acer has launched 4K TVs in India starting from price of 15,000 rupees or $188. Acer launched the I-Series TV in India coming with 4 screen sizes, 32 inch, 43, 50 and 55 inches. All of them run Android 11 operating system, offers a huge entertainment offer for the users in the subcontinent. The starting price, as I told, is $188 or 14,999 rupees. It supports a frameless design, H2H TV. The image quality is enhanced by HDR10, super brightness, 4K upscaling and other built-in features for great viewing experience. The TVs can display all 1 billion colors, features blue light reduction for greater eye care. 32-inch model only has a HD definition TV. The other TVs have 4K. Each model supports dual Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity along with 30-watt sound system with Dolby Atmos. The pricing, as I told you, start from 15,000 rupees. The 43 inches are around 28,000 rupees or $351. The 50 inches is around 33,000 rupees for $13. And for 38,000 you get the $476 is the 55-inch TV. It will be available in both on offline and online retailers in India. It's great pricing. For more content, please like, share and subscribe this video. Thank you.